Today I'm going to compare two water ionizers. On the left is the Enagic Level SD501, which is also called Kangen water machine, and on the right is the Nexus Smart7P. Now both of these manufacturers are really top-notch manufacturers, so you can go to my website to see about that. They're actually both really good machines. The Smart one, 7P, is just superior though, so I'm going to just be showing you that today. Okay, so now first thing, I'm just going to start testing some water, and we'll start with the Kangen. Now it says Kangen water 9.5. However, it never, that's an estimate. It's actually not in reality a true statement that it's 9.5 pH. A lot of people accidentally or just, you know, whatever, erroneously think that that is telling you the pH, but it is not. Okay, so now one thing I want to tell you, this machine, the Nexus Smart, does not say its pH. It says Alkaline 3, but that's supposedly the equivalent of that pH. So I'm trying to get the two samples here to read at the same or approximately the same pH. I may or may not be able to get it because it's kind of a tough one because they just aren't that accurate. Now on the left you see the Kangen machine said Kangen water 9.5, but it was really 10.0. Okay, that's fine because in St. Louis tap water it comes in at a higher pH, so it is going to be a higher than what it says. Now the Smart machine is coming in at 9.8. Those two are fairly close. 9.7. What I'm going to do is show you the ORP of these two samples, because the Kangen sample came in at a higher pH. Theoretically, it should have a higher ORP, and that's period. I mean, that's usually a sign of if it's a good design or not a good design, is how much ORP are you getting at that level of pH. Now, it looks like we're getting a fairly good ORP, a negative 200-ish. It's going to go up to probably like a negative 300 perhaps. And let's take a look at the Smart Ionizer. We can see that the Smart Ionizer is coming, though the pH of the water is less. Now, what that's called scientific terms wise is called relative hydrogen is better. It basically means that the and I can actually go back to the Enagic and see if maybe I can get it to come up this high, but right now it's just showing that it's just not going to do it. It's a lower ORP. Now your ORP is your measurement of antioxidants in the water. So having a low ORP, meaning a higher negative number, is desirable. And that's two ways here that we can see that the Smart is a better water ionizer. And you know, just looking over the machines, the machines both look nice. Personally, I think the Smart looks more luxurious, and I've had people tell me that. But you know, that's all a matter of opinion. Now, let me take a look at some other features of these machines. They both have good filters. The filter port for the Enagic is on the front of the machine, and you have to, you know, move this lever and then pull it out. There are a couple of washers that you have to watch out. you do not lose, because you cannot replace those. You'd have to get those from the company. I've looked in the hardware store, and they just don't have the right size. Now, inserting this filter is a little tricky, and you have to really push evenly down, or else it will later on leak. Okay, it's not too bad though. The filter port of the Smart Ionizer is an easy pop in, pop out port. Let me just show you that real quick. The filter port itself is in the back, and you just push down and pull out. And basically to insert it back into the ionizer, you just push in and out. It's very simple, and it is designed to be a leak-proof, easy-to-use system. Okay, I'm going to do several other videos comparing these two machines. So look for the blog post that is listed below this video. You can go to the blog post and see all of the various videos that I've done. But just conclusion-wise, one other feature, this is really the most important feature and I forgot to mention it, is the fact of continuous cleaning. The Enagic on the left, that machine will do what's called an acidic wash every so many liters, which is fine, and that's the traditional acidic wash that has been done with water ionizers over the years. But the Smart7P has an automatic cleaning system built in to where it is continuously cleaning at every second. It's continuously cleaning the plates, and that's actually contributing to why it has so much better of an ORP. If you've seen some of my other videos, you'll notice that both of these machines' ORP are lower than normal. That's because I need to clean my ORP meter. Excuse me for that. But when we're comparing two machines with the same ORP meter, you see the differences. And for the purposes of this video, I just left it the way it was. Okay, do go to that blog post though. That's going to have lots of other videos and explanations about the two machines and how the Nexus machine, actually the Nexus company, is really, in my opinion, a better company. The machine is a better machine, and actually the warranty is also a better warranty. You're warranted for lifetime on parts, versus with the Enagic machine it's just 5 years. And you know, you'll see more of the other features as well. Okay, thanks for watching.